What's up, guys? In this video we're going to finish the 4-inch downpipe on the pickup, and we're going to do a little bit of street testing. We got to test this Monte Carlo here. He's going to up the nitrous a little bit. We're going to see how it takes it on these street tires. But yeah, it should be fun. We're going to finish the pipe, do some street testing on the car and the truck, so hang in there. We'll see how this goes.
We're getting it there.
Yep, definitely getting closer. That's gonna be a tight fit getting it down there.
I'm gonna try to kind of start kicking it more this way a little bit.
Yeah.
That way we can down a little bit till we clear this. Then kind of, I'm gonna hug the frame rail as much as we can, like firewall and frame rail.
Yeah.
Keep away from crossover.
Yeah, because you can tell that 3 inches.
It's been rubbing.
Rubbing that.
It's rubbing there and it's been rubbing right here.
Rubbing the frame rail.
Yeah. I want to try to keep it up and away. We might have to get rid of those studs, but
Yep, about 1,000 more pie cuts and she'll be
done.
She'll be a little bit closer, huh? Yeah. I just hope we can stack enough stuff. We might change the ramp or make it come in later. Shit, that one looked pretty good, Jamie. How'd that one look to you, buddy?
Look good.
Look good?
Yeah.
Pretty fast?
Yeah.
Fast enough?
No.
Not fast enough?
Faster.
Oh. So we need more nitrous?
Yeah.
Huh. We'll see what he says about
1,000.
1,000?
1,000.
1,000 on the nitrous, huh?
1,000.
Well, we already got like 200 on it.
No.
You want more on it?
Yes.
George says more nitrous. What do you guys think?
Hey, let me.
I guess we need to get that bottle out and weigh it, see how much nitrous is left in it.
I can't even count on them right now.
Got probably 8 to 10 passes on it, huh?
So she's probably pretty empty.
You think it's empty, George?
Probably.
Definitely empty. I mean, it's light. Well, I guess
We can weigh it for the people.
we can get that exhaust done, huh?
Yeah, we'll knock out that truck.
So we got this ugly looking masterpiece right here. Just about done. Product. Jimmy just finished up putting the downpipe and crossover on this thing. Huh, Jimmy?
Yes, sir.
Goes 4-inch all the way to the back of the cab. What's up, guys? Well, we was on our way to go test, and I'm pretty sure we blew a charge pipe off on the truck here, because it's not running good. It's not making any boost. This thing is a turd without the turbo. So we're about to pull in here at Varley's and check this thing out, see what we got going on. It had to blow a charge pipe off or something too, because it's
Lazy.
man, it's a turd. It made like fucking 20 pounds.
Yep, blew it off.
Yeah, I mean, if we don't have it, it'll probably blow off all the couplers, because without the blow off valve, there's no way of relieving that pressure. And these couplers are not the best in the world. I don't know if it just got hot or what happened. I'm about to just go to all copper because I'm tired of it blowing out.
I'm with you on that.
Because this,
All right.
however you want to do it.
Guess we just.
Yeah, this ain't the
It
first.
don't take much, I don't think.
No.
Does it?
No, it shouldn't take
Go ahead.
much at all. Damn, look at that teamwork. Put a zip tie on it for extra insurance, maybe.
I would only.
Will that not fit anyways? Like without heating it?
No, it's just like back here where we went on the intake.
I think
back
it
here.
needs heated in here.
Just enough to hold it.
Yeah, I know what you do now.
That'll work.
Yeah, like we'll fix it the right way, permanently whenever we get home.
Are you bringing your car, Varley?
Car. Yeah, I'll bring it.
I got.
We got an extra. We got. Yeah. So I guess old Varley's gonna bring his car and do a little bit of testing with us. I'll give you a quick walk around of his. OG body with the big block in it. Damn, smells like the 80s.
There we go. Pop to it, Jimmy. No, the intake's good. This plug's good.
It's got a massive fucking vacuum leak. Yeah, we're all right. Yeah, it is. I got some help on the way.
Yeah. We're not sure yet.
It's getting hot. It's a fresh build.
See. That's good. Ain't blowing that out.
Old boy was just checking on us.
Yeah, he was
idling
checking
like it did when it blew that damn plug
Yeah,
out.
plugged in there though. That's what's crazy.
This damn guy. It acts like the damn throttle. So you heard it when I pulled up in here.
Yeah, it was high idling.
Damn it.
I don't see nothing wrong though. Oh, there it is.
Oh, blew the power booster line off?
Yep.
Oh, and it made like fucking 20 pounds again too.
You need to turn it down, Jimmy.
It did.
What are you commanding?
15. No, it's actually at 10 right now.
And it's doing 20?
Have any more zip ties?
No floorboard. Now we need to hold the power booster. We'll try this one. It's kind of messed up, but.
Alright.
This damn zip tie is just a used piece of crap.
So there I was. Broke down. Yeah. Come out here, try to do some testing, and one damn pass. Drove all the way to damn Mexico. All the way to Mexico and broke the damn truck. 50-cent hose clamp, keeping us from doing anything. Do what?
The line to the top of the wastegate
Yeah.
wasn't connected. Back connected.
So it blew the line off the top?
Yeah, and it shouldn't have done that. I wouldn't think. Interesting, ain't it?
Well, the bottom one's one that opens it though.
But there wasn't nothing on top. Like it's the one on the bottom's.
You sure they're not backwards?
No, because Uh-oh. Don't know what that was.
Yeah, built 20 pounds again.
Man, 20 pounds again?
Huh? Don't have any wheel pressure.
Shit. Okay. pressure issues, and so we're taking it to the house, and hopefully we can figure out what's going on with it, and we'll update from there. So thank you all, and we'll check you later.
I'm gonna shut it off. It doesn't have any oil pressure.
So we're gonna pull. And we were joking around about that today,
I know.
and we've been talking about it for the past week or so, and yesterday and today, talking about if it don't last, we're gonna be yanking this thing out and replacing it.
Well, the good thing is the downpipe fixed a lot of problems, but it created a lot.
Created
a lot.
problems, yeah.
Fixed some, but created a lot more.
Yeah, and you're not wrong, it did.
That's like
I
this.
believe it to go yesterday. Me and Tyler and Michael, we made probably 10 passes.
Yeah, we made a bunch.
We made
This
a
car
bunch.
fucking runs good.
Good. It's what he's telling me. It runs really good.
But we put bigger jets in it. Bottle ran out, so we're.
So you want to come get this tonight, or?
You can come
Yeah,
get
we
it
can
whenever
get it tonight if you want to.
You can get it whenever you want.
I can't.
I think
I drove it all the way here with
know
no
you did.
fucking oil pressure.
But you can hear it. It's
Something.
the motor's got to come out, and we got to replace it. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, motor in the truck is hurt, so we're gonna get back to the shop and we'll pull it out, see what's wrong with it. It sucks, but you know that's part of it. Just got to keep on grinding, I guess. We're hoping to make passes, but it is what it is. So, you know, the old stock bottom end 4.8 should make some sounds, but I guess we'll get her home and we'll get it in the shop and pull motor and see what's wrong with her. And well, I guess that's all I can say. Hopefully we get it back together soon and get a little more contact with it. You know, she's not a bad looking little rig. Hopefully we can get it back together quick.